Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify feedback. To know how to fix or to solve your Spotify feedback, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And if after that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.